Chaz back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's video is going to be brought to you by the company RPGHair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area for you. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. The first thing that I noticed is that you get an edge band with the company's logo, an HD wig cap, an edge brush, and a rat tail comb, and then you get your wig in the satin bag. This is their new Wear and Go 9x6 HD Glueless Deep Wave wig. This one is in the length 20 inches. This is also 200% in density. Ear HD lace, and as you can tell, they already went ahead and pre-bleached the knots. You also get these removable combs on the side, so you do get a comb on each side. And this is what it looks like if you remove it. I'm not trying to poke my finger. Okay, so you can remove the comb in the back, but I went ahead and removed all the combs because I don't plan on using them. And you also get the removable adjustable strap. Here you do get the C shape, so you can have a better fit by your ear. And tighten up the straps because I removed the combs. I'm hoping that this fits me really good, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on just to see how everything is fitting. So this is what it is looking like on before I do anything to it, and let's give it up for the cap. Let's give it up for the cap. It fits, oh my gosh, it fits me so good. Now, for a second I was like, ooh, it might be a little bit too snug. Maybe I can loosen up that elastic band, and I probably could, but the fit on this is really, really nice. There's like a little bit of room right here in the lace area, but it's not too big to where I feel like it's going to be an issue. And for me, that's an easy fix, as long as it's not like lifting up, which I've had issues with wigs doing that before. But yeah, it's fitting good. Side by my ear, it's fitting my ear. I don't have to worry about my ear bending down. And let's check the other side. Okay, so 2 thumbs up as far as the ear design goes. It does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. As you can see, the only thing that I feel like I'm gonna have to go in and do is add some tint spray to the very front of the hairline, because as you can see, for me, it is too light. And we don't do that around here. We don't do that around here. I need this to melt and blend into my skin without me having to go in and do too much. Now, as far as this hair goes, this hair looks very, very nice. I'm jumping around because I did not show y'all the parting space. So this is the parting space area. It's definitely giving scalp, and I like how far back you can go. Let's see what this side is looking like. And you can tell they pre-styled this because I can feel a little bit of product right here. So if you wanted to just kind of pull the hair apart and wear it like this, you could. So yeah, you have a good amount of parting space. This is about how far you can go over before you end up running into trash. As far as my wig cap goes, I'm trying to like look and see. I might have to push it back some because I feel like I can see a little bit of it right here at the beginning. And because this is that HD thinner lace, you don't want the front of your cap to end up showing too much. So I am going to end up adjusting that. I'm excited about the fit of this wig. And I know for some, they might just be like, girl, please. But when you have a small head, you be struggling. So this feels nice to not have to worry about any bunching. I don't have a lot of bunching going up in the back. I took that comb out, and honestly, it would sit a little bit flatter if I kept the comb in and just kind of tucked it. But it is laying down very, very flat, and it feels snug to my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling this unit and working on it. And then of course, I'll be back to tell you guys my final thoughts, and so you can see the final look. little bit differently. We're gonna go ahead and talk about it. I used my olive oil adhesive spray to lay the lace down because I did state that it was just like a little bit too big in this area. I didn't want to worry about it rippling, especially if I was just going to go in with my mousse. Now I pulled it a little bit tighter on the sides. I put a bobby pin on each side. I did take the combs out. The combs probably would have worked, but look, I gotta protect the edges that I got, okay? So the combs, they had to go. I wasn't gonna use them anyway. And I already told you guys that the fit on this is actually really nice, but it probably would have just helped to keep things a little bit more in place. Now this already comes styled as a middle part, and you guys know usually even if something is already pre-styled, look, I will tear that style up and redefine it as my own. But this time around, I said, let me see what these waves are gonna do if I just decide to fluff it up, because I'll usually go through with some water and some mousse and just kind of, like I said, redefine it. What I did was pick out the waves as a middle part, and I really do like the way it looks. Now, of course, it still looks a little bit more defined because I didn't go crazy with it because I didn't want to have to worry about a lot of frizziness and everything going on. But the middle part was my absolute fave. Now, of course, once you wash this and everything and you decide to go in and add your products and brush it out, it's not going to look like this. So just be aware, this is how it looks out the package fluffed up. And then I moved it over to the side part. And I did have to add a little bit more product. I went in using my TRESemmé Flawless Curls because I don't think I showed you guys. A little bit heavier when I moved it over to the side part because some of the hair did get messed up. And then I just diffused it down. I put some mousse at the top just to keep everything nice and flat. And this is definitely laying flat, so you're not gonna have to worry about any humpiness or anything going on. But yeah, I think fluffed up straight out the box, you're good to go, okay? So this one is definitely ready to wear. I did not run my fingers through the hair too much. I also didn't use a comb or anything. I can't really speak to shedding like that because I didn't see a lot. I do expect some snags to happen, especially in the nape area. When I was fluffing it up, I did notice some back there. But keep in mind, this is a wavy texture, so you are gonna run into a little bit of snags and also a little bit of shedding. You can be versatile with this unit. As you can see, you don't have to keep it parted as a middle part. I added a clip into the hair. Now, the only thing is when you pull the hair all the way up, you're gonna have to probably pull some down a little bit so the cap in the back doesn't show, or you can kind of tuck it in. I'm not sure. No, don't tuck it in because then it's gonna look a little bit crazy. So just pull some of that hair down so it doesn't look as tight, and then maybe pull a little bit of coils out and just style it to your desire. But this is really pretty. I love the length on this. I feel like the density on this is perfect, especially for this heat that's going on right now. But you can also transition this into the fall and winter time, especially for my ladies who do not like a lot of hair, but they still want some good density to where when they turn around, it's not going to look bald at all. They did a really good job with the amount of hair they put into the lace area. And when I turn around, I don't feel any tracks. I'm not worried about any thinness. I told you guys this comes pre-bleach, pre-plucked, pre-style, pre-cut, all the pre's once again. So this one is cute. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. It fits my head good, so you guys already know, like I stated, it's 2 thumbs up for me. I don't have to worry about this slipping and sliding off my head. And yes, you can rock this without any type of adhesive. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Are you feeling this one? I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again. Turn those notifications on, share, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.